settings I use on my sublimation printer to get that vibrant look on your sublimation prints. Let's go. For reference, this is an Eco Tank that I just made into a sublimation printer, and it's super simple. I taught you how to do that in the previous TikTok. I'm using my desktop computer, but go ahead and go to your printer properties. Then we're going to go down to preferences. It might look a little different on your computer, but it's going to be the same thing. So what we're going to do here is change the paper type. So right now it's plain paper. We're going to actually move it down to premium presentation paper matte. If you can find another type of matte paper option, then that works great as well, because you might not have the exact same as me. The next thing is quality. Make sure that's set to high, and then color should always be on color. Two-sided printing is off, which is perfect, and the paper size is set to the regular letter paper, so that's wonderful. Hop on over to more options now. So over here we can see a little bit of things we might want to look at. I'm going to go ahead and check off the mirror image box, and then we can go and do custom. Perfect. Now that we've selected custom, go ahead and click on advanced. So up here you'll see it says color controls, and then this is where we're going to do the whole color correction. So for color mode here, we're going to change it to Adobe RGB, and then gamma is set to 2.2, which is perfect. This part is going to be up to your own personal preference. So you can go ahead and move around the brightness, the contrast, saturation, and density, and it really depends on what type of look you're going to get. Now, if you go up to here, it's going to reset your controls to how it was originally. And then you can also play around with the colors, but if you just click on slide bar, it actually allows you to just slide it up and down, which is a lot easier to work with. Once you have it to where you like it, go ahead and press OK. And this might take some tests. Maybe you want to try it out, see if you like it, and then adjust it some more. Now that we've done all that work to the settings, we want to make sure that we save it as a preset. So what we're going to do is under the more options, there's this add or remove presets. So go ahead and select that. Create whatever name for it that you want. I just did mine as sublimation preset, and then I'm going to save it. So now you'll see it's here. I'm going to go ahead and close it. So for example, on Cricut Design Space, I can actually go to use system dialog, and once I click that, it's going to go to this little print screen. I'm going to go over to preferences, and I can find my sublimation preset, or whatever you call it, and then just press OK. That's all you need to do. You're ready to go ahead and press print, and those settings that you just did are going to be on that image. I have multiple printers set up for multiple different things, so this is great that I can go back and forth really simply with these preferences and presets so that my settings are just there easily. Save this TikTok so you can adjust your settings as well, and follow for more Cricut and sublimation tips. Happy crafting!